Hello students, good afternoon to everyone. Students, in this video I am going to show you the correct answers of the mock test that was held yesterday. So first one, echoes are the dash sound that are the reflected sound. Echoes are the reflected sound. Okay. So the next one, second question is here, electrons carry negative charge. Electrons carries negative charge. Okay, next one, third one, a gold leaf electroscope can be to detect used to detect the used to detect, measure and find the nature of the charge. Okay, so this one, second option is correct for this. Next, choose the correct statement. Synthetic fibers are expensive than natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are dependent on the animal farming. The fabrics made by the synthetic fibers are easily heat set. So that C option is correct for this. Okay. Next, that a rabi crop is weed is the rabi crop. Next, the field is flooded with water by making the bunds around them is known as the basin irrigation. That is known as the basin irrigation. Okay, so the negatively charged particle in an atom that orbit around the nucleus are called, the negatively charged particles are known as the electrons. Okay, they are known as the electron. Next one question, the function of the phloem. Phloem, pho means food, pho means food transporting. Phloem will transport the food items inside that. So A option is correct for this. Next, blood is a type of connective tissue. Blood is a type of connective tissue. B option is correct for this. 10th one, that when the sufficient oxygen is not available, the combustion of the methane produces the dash gas and the water. Which one gas? In the presence of very less quantity of the oxygen, then there is a formation of carbon monoxide is there. Okay, so the next one, the number of protons in one atom of the carbon are number of protons which is equal to the number of atomic number. So the atomic number of the carbon is 6, so that's why there are the 6 number of protons are there. Okay, so the next one, that the seabed has the large deposit of the silica derived from, that is known as the diatoms. This we will discuss in the microorganism chapter, that is the diatoms. Next one, which of the following is a contact force? Magnetic is a non-contact, gravitational is a non-contact, and the electrostatic is a non-contact, and there only the frictional force is there, which is a contact force. Next one, a particle that cannot be broken down further is particle which cannot be broken down further. It means that is the atom. Atom which cannot be further subdivided. It is the tiniest particle, which is a food crop which will give us the food items. So the cotton, jute, rubber, they are the that the pulse is a food crop. Okay. Next one, that the nitrogen fixing bacteria is present in the roots of leguminous plants. They are present in the roots of a leguminous plant. Next, choose the correct statement. Both A and B. Nylon has low tensile strength than the silk, natural silk, and the nylon was the first made in the 1935. It was developed during the both World War to make the parachutes. But here this option is wrong. So let's skip it once. Next, in the cold storage, temperature is maintained between 0 and the 4 degrees Celsius. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance catches the fire. Identify the correct option regarding regarding the ignition temperature of a good fuel. The ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which the substance catches the fire. It is the definition of the ignition temperature. Identify the correct regarding the good fuel. The ignition temperature equal to the room temperature. It is wrong. Ignition temperature equal to the 100 degree, it is also wrong. And ignition temperature above the room temperature, it is correct. So we have to find out the correct statement in this case. So this one, C option is correct for this. This is C option is correct for this. Next one, the infrasonic has have the frequency below 20 degree or 20 hertz, less than 20 hertz, that is the infrasonic. Okay, so next one, this we will discuss in the sound chapter. Nylon is a polymer, polyamide, both. Nylon, it is a polymer and it is also the polyamide. So this is a polymer, that is exact option for this is a polymer. Next, a valency of the fluorine. Valency of the fluorine, here they have to write down the electronic configuration of the fluorine. So fluorine has atomic number 9, so it means the electronic configuration is 27. Next, that which is the effect of force? Effect of force, it changes the speed, it's correct. It changes the direction of motion, it's also correct. That changes the state of the motion, it is also correct. And all of the above is correct, so it means the D option is correct for this. Next, a dash has no charge. Electrons has positive charge. Quarks also have some charge. The electrons have negative charge. The neutrons have no charge. So it means the D option is correct for this. Okay. So the next one, that the first synthetic fiber obtained was the rayon, polyamide, the acrylics, and the polyester. Students, its D option is correct. Polyester is the first synthetic fiber. Okay, so the next one, that which of the following is a natural polymer? Natural polymer, that are the cellulose which is a natural polymer. And the next one, the like charges dash each other, like charges are always repel each other, so they have written the cancel, attract, these all are incorrect, and the D option is correct for this. Now but our 28th one question is there. 28th one, the algin is derived from algae. Algin is derived from algae, so its C option is correct for this. Next one, the spherical bacteria are known as the Vibrios, cocci, that is a spherical bacteria which we will discuss inside the chapter number 3, microorganisms. Okay, so the spherical bacteria, they are known as cocci. So the D option is correct for this. Next one, the C, sound needs dash to travel. Sound needs a medium to travel, so its C option is correct for this. Next one, the burning of the charcoal in a closed room will produces dash, that it will produces the nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. It will produce the charcoal, which is a form of a carbon. It will release the carbon dioxide, and because it is also the derived from the fossil fuels, it can also produce the nitrogen dioxide also. Okay, let me check. Sorry, but it is carbon dioxide is correct for this one. It is the burning of charcoal in a closed room will produce the carbon dioxide. This is correct option for this. Now the 32nd, sound is produced by the gas, water, air, and it can be produced by the vibrations. Whenever there is a vibration in the gaseous medium, in the water, or in any medium, there the sound will be produced over there. Okay, so the vibration is correct for this 32nd. The picture below shows the two cases in which the two persons trying to burn the paper cup. In case of the cup has a water in it, and in case of the cup case 2, the empty and the dry, identify which of the case paper will burn. Paper will burn in which the the cup is empty. So it means the case 2, in that case the paper will burn. So it means the D option is correct for this, because whenever in the case A, the whole heat which is transmitted from the flame, it will be transferred to the water directly, so in that case the paper cup will not burn. Only the case 2 in which the paper is empty and the dry, paper cup is empty and dry, so in that case the paper will burn. Okay, next one, 34th one, as a unit of the force that we have also discussed in the class, that it is a Newton. The cell membrane, it is also known as the selectively permeable membrane. Not fully permeable, it is a selectively permeable membrane because it allows something to enter inside the cell. So vascular bundles are found in root, stem and the leaves, only in the green parts of the plants, only in the leaves. It is present in all the parts. It is only present in the root, stem and the leaves. Okay, so the next one, 37. An ideal fuel is a cheap, readily available, easily combustible and easy to transport. It was a high calorific value. It does not produce the gases and the residues that pollute the environment. Based on the above statement, which of the following is closest to being that the ideal fuel? Ideal fuel is that which will produces the less pollutants and easily available. Okay, so for according to that, this CNG, it is the ideal fuel because it is causing the less pollutants, because it contains the maximum percentage of the methane, so due to that it releases very less pollutants. So this also question we have discussed in the class. What are the units of SI units of the pressure? Pressure has the unit of Pascal, so D is the option for this. And polysynthetic photosynthetic protozoans, photosynthetics Euglena, it is the correct answer because they are having the chlorophyll kind of pigments. So due to that, they can easily photosynthesize. Okay, so this Euglena is correct answer for this. Next, 40th and the last one, sound travels faster in the solid than the air, faster in the air than the water, the fastest in the vacuum, faster in the air. So because the speed of the sound, it is dependent on the density of the medium. So the solid state will be the denser than the air, so it means it is traveling faster in the solid than in the airs. So hope so all of you have attempted these options only, so it means that you are knowing that all the questions very well. Thank you and have a nice day.